This is the new Hoover song. To you Americans or the other people who don't know what a Hoover is, this is a vacuum cleaner. This is a vacuum cleaner, and it's by a shark. Vacuum cleaner, whoa, vacuum cleaner, and it's by the shark. Whoa, whoa, look at my tootsies. Whoa, whoa, look at the bubbles. Whoa, whoa, look at the picture of a llama. Oh yeah, llama. Anyway, this is the new vacuum, and it's in the playroom, which is a mess. QTOs, little QTOs, little QTOs. You probably know this guy. Oh yeah, you probably know this guy. Oh yeah. Go check out my other videos and look at my tootsies. Oh yeah. Sorry. Goodbye. Thank you for listening to Super Loud.